What's up, Flow family? Welcome back to another video with your local Flow Prodigy. If it is your first time on this channel, I'm Brendan Perez, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button to see more videos like this one. In this video, we're going to be going over how to frontside shove it. Let's get into it. So the frontside shove it is exactly what it sounds like, only except with a normal shove it, instead of using your toes to kick the board back, you're using your heels to kick the board forward. So starting off with the foot positioning, you're going to be shoulder width apart on your board, and you're going to let the heel of your back foot hang over the edge of your tail. And also, if you want to, I know that not all riders do this, but you can even angle your foot diagonal, either forward or backwards, for a better flick. Now once you're ready, you're going to bend both knees and squat down, and on your way popping up, your back foot, more specifically your heel, is going to diagonally kick forward. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And since you're still here, might as well show some more love and hit that bell-shaped icon. That's the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload. And I will see you on the next one.